the blizzard of 2010. How you making out over there?
It's nice.
I bet.
Good exercise.
Go ahead. Stay there, Raz. Hey.
Make sure that you put it, clear it up.
So I've been shoveling. I shoveled 5 times since 6 o'clock last night, and I shoveled about an hour and a half ago, and we got about 2 inches down there. I'm going to wait till I shovel again, but there's the gas meter, almost covered with that drift, so it gives you some idea of how high this is.
You got a nice path.
Thank you. Raz, stay here. Come on. There's a truck and the Acura. That's it for now. I'm prepared though. I got the necessities. I got some meat, 2 cases of beer, so we're okay.